Android is an operating system, OS, developed by Google primarily for mobile devices such as smartphones, tablets, and smartwatches. It is an open-source platform based on the Linux kernel and designed to support various programming languages like Java, Kotlin, and C++. Android was initially released in 2008, and since then, it has evolved to become the most widely used mobile operating system globally. Android provides users with a rich set of features such as multi-touch gestures, voice recognition, and multiple language support, among others. It also offers a wide range of applications, games, and utilities that can be downloaded from the Google Play Store, which is the official app store for Android devices. Additionally, Android supports a variety of hardware components, such as camera sensors, GPS, NFC, and Bluetooth, which allow developers to create innovative applications and experiences for users.